Hey guys, welcome back to Project
LSJ Fiero. Hi, I'm Alex Lightspeed, and this is my lovely wife, Rose.
And today we're going to be working on part one of our Fiero's interior restoration.
Yay!
When we purchased this car, it was pretty evident that we were going to have to replace the entire interior of this car.
So once we decided that we were going to need to replace the entire interior, I decided we might as well go with something very interesting. Owned a lot of Fieros, they've all been gray. Now, when I was a kid, meaning, 18 to 25, I always hated tan or saddle interior in this case, or anything brown. At this point in my life, all of my Fieros have been gray, and I'm tired of gray. We discussed it, we're gonna go with a rare Fiero color, and it's 88 Beechwood.
You may be asking yourself, what is Beechwood interior? So Beechwood interior was a color that was made for 88 Fieros, and there were 26,000 Fieros made in 1988. And about 25% of those, meaning about 7,088 Fieros, came with Beechwood interior. It's a very rare color. Beechwood would commonly be referred to as a shade of tan, as you can see. And while there were other tans available for the Fiero series, this specific shade was very unique to only the 88s. So this is a color known as saddle, and this part specifically came from an 86 Fiero. As you can see, it's a little white. It's a really nice tan. I mean, it's not a bad color, but when they made the 88s, they definitely did make what they call the Beechwood, right? It's a little bit darker. It's like more like a walnut color. Definitely super different in comparison. When you actually can look at them, the pieces from the 88 are definitely a little darker than this saddle.
So we were thinking, well, we need to get some 88 Beechwood interior. Is that going to even be possible? At this point, many of the Fieros have already been junked. Some of the panels are in destroyed condition, and it's not really an option to just paint everything. We've already gone through that, and we're going through that currently on Rose's 87 GT that's named Prince, which we'll probably show you a photo of here. Anyway, painted interior panels do work. They don't work on stuff that you touch all the time. I have got a color that is pretty much the same as 88 Beechwood. It's SEM Color Coat Camel. I got this off the Fiero forum. They say this is almost an exact match for Beechwood. Now that's going to work for these T-top pieces and stuff that we can't possibly get in Beechwood, but it's not going to work for door handles and door panels and center consoles. So we decided we were going to go on a search for that. I ended up searching around the area, and I found about 150 miles away there was an 88 coupe in the junkyard that had Beechwood interior.
So I decided we should get a babysitter, go check it out.
Alex found a 88 here at a junkyard. Now we live in Vancouver, but we drove all the way up to Tacoma, Washington to come and check it out, see what they had for parts on the car. Mostly interior stuff. This has like the Beechwood interior in it, and there's like not a whole lot left. It looks like they got the seats, but we found door panels. Oh dude, should we get this ship boot?
Yeah, we're gonna
got some good stuff going on here, guys. Okay, gonna get to it. I'll show you guys what we got afterwards. Neat little haul. Got the carpets and all the interior panels and stuff, and we didn't get the dash, but we'll work on that. We can always do other things, but this is gonna be you poor thing.
Hey guys, so you might be wondering, why interior? This car needs a full restoration, but we're starting with the interior? Really? Well, there's a couple reasons for that. The biggest one is that I need to get this rear clip off in order to do the frame stretch on this door. Everything has to be exposed on this side. In order to get this rear clip off, I have to get the headliner out, and I have to get the inner panels that are holding the seat belts out. Now, in order to get those out, I have to remove the seats. So by that time, I might as well remove the carpet and try to get all the moisture and smelliness out of this car.
Hey guys, if you're looking for a pro tip, when we were taking apart the interior of the car, we made sure we grabbed some sandwich baggies, and what we did is with every part that we decided to take apart, for example the headliner, we just made sure we put all the bolts inside of the bag, so that way when we go to put it all back together, we know what bolts go where.
Hi guys, little pro tip for taking apart your old rusty interior. Now, you're gonna wanna use some sort of lubricant. In this case, I'm using WD-40. I also really like PB glass penetrating spray because on every screw, it may be rusted and the heads may wanna just strip out. Now that's happened on 2 screws on the roof of this interior. And in order to get those out, I'm gonna have to drill them. Now I don't wanna drill out every screw, so you should always start with the lube and then hope that you let set for a little bit and then you can just get those bolts out.
So when it comes to the beginning of my process for interior detailing, I use a shop vac. And the reason I like to use a shop vac is because if there is any water in the car, this is a shop vac that's gonna like definitely work to suck up any water, any moisture. It gets all the nits and grits. I mean, like, you have these little attachments, and this is great for getting inside of the seats. And then you can just take something like this off, and it's gonna suck up everything. I mean, it's a nifty tool to have. So if you don't have a shop vac, I totally recommend having one. You can get them pretty cheap, not super expensive. And then when it comes to my spot detailing, I always start off with the hard stains. I do the stain pre-treat, and I use Bissell mostly because I also use a Bissell green machine. This thing is super nifty. I got it for about $100, and I mean, in all my endeavors in interior detailing, it's paid for itself tenfold. So this is definitely a really cool thing to have. Comes with some cool attachments to get in the nits and grits of all the corners, and then I mean just your average head. And then, you know, always use Bissell. I would never recommend using a product outside of its chain. So Bissell with Bissell, that's the way to go, man.